friend's scooter. Not your scooter.
What you are watching is something that was filmed this week by Documenting Reality. This was filmed in Toronto. You're looking at a man on somebody else's scooter. Doesn't seem like he's able to start it. That's the only thing that's stopping this guy, I believe. But the situation gets crazy, guys. Just watch what happens. No clue who this guy is, but you're gonna see him play a part later in the video. For the sake of the video, let's just call him Motorbike Mike for now. So Motorbike Mike steps in. He tells the man to get off the scooter and tells the man to leave. As this is happening, he looks behind him and sees the police. He turns around, flags the police over.
Hey, officer! Officer!
Police came over immediately. He's trying to tell them that he didn't steal it, which he didn't yet. This is what you never do, guys. You're surrounded by police and he reaches inside of his jacket. Now this guy's lucky he didn't get... As you can see, he gets arrested.
Arrest me, I'm fine. That's fine.
And then you know what happens next. You know how it goes already, guys.
Dude, I'm not gonna ask you again, okay? I'm not gonna ask you guys again. Back off! Back off!
As you guessed it, the rights violations begin. No filming, of course, because they just electrified a man who was already under control, who left the property, got escorted out, and then was told to leave even further. Don't ask me what Motorbike Mike is doing here, guys. He became a cop all of a sudden. I don't know what's happening, but these guys have something to hide and they know it.